Honestly, now's a better time than ever to get into indie dev. There are so many open source tools that are run on almost any computer at no cost. You don't need to have a beefy PC to use something like Unreal Engine anymore. But that got me thinking, how bad of a computer can you still run at least a semi-modern version of Godot on? And that's going to be the topic of today's video. We're going to start with my old Chromebook. This computer I got back in 2013 when I was just entering high school. This computer set me back about $100. It has about an Intel Celeron on it, and it was crappy even then. So you can imagine how crappy it would be now. Okay, let's boot this bad boy up. I had wiped this back in the day and put Ubuntu on it, and to do that you actually had to put a piece of tinfoil to bridge a connection. Well, that took forever to boot. Okay, now let's log in here. Let's see if I can remember my password. Oh wow, I didn't think there was any files on this computer. Actually, there's no version of Godot on here, so I must have used this right at the early launch of Godot 3.0. Okay, so actually now I have a lot more faith that this computer is actually gonna run some version of Godot 4, but let's test this out. Let's see if I can get my files off the flash drive that I put in it. And we probably use an X32. This is probably an X32 or a 32-bit operating system. Okay, we have our Godot versions on here, so let's try the newest version of Godot at this point of recording of Godot 4.4. Let's see if this actually runs on this old piece of crap. Come on. Oh, we have a screen. We have a Godot screen. It's not liking it. It's not liking it. There we go. Okay, we need to import a project, and I downloaded the Godot custom projects. So we need to check on desktop. Let's try 3D. Let's put this thing through its paces, and let's do navigation. Let's try this. This is going to run horribly, I'm assuming. I'm assuming this is gonna kind of crash out a little bit. Oh, we got the Godot editor. Oh no, it's not liking it. This computer's too old for this. This computer's 12 years old and I'm putting a modern game engine on it. Whoa! Wait, did it work? Am I gonna be able to play this? Hold up. Okay, we're gonna try and play this scene. Oh no, it gave up again. Oh no, what are the other computers gonna be like? This is the newest one we have. Our CPU is at 100. Oh no. The first CPU is, okay. Okay, it took a restart, but we're finally back in the file manager. Let's try a 2D project this time. It's in this folder. And which one should we do? Bullet shower? That sounds cool. Okay, we're doing bullet shower. Let's import this. Let's see if Godot can actually run this without entirely borking the computer. Well, that took forever. Okay, let's see if we can run this one. Oh, we have a game! We have a game! It works! Godot 4.4 works! I actually didn't think it would work. It's actually working okay too for 2D. Okay, maybe the upgrade fixed it. Maybe we can do 3D now. All right, let's try 3D navigation again. Come on, Chromebook, you can do it. Oh, we're back. We're back. Will it work? Come on, Godot. It launched! Wait, it works! Holy crap! What's the FPS like? I can't see it, but it seems a bit buggy, but I'm not sure if that's just the project. Okay, Godot fully works on a 2013 $100 Chromebook. $100 in 2013, now you'd probably pay about 10 for this thing. We're gonna say this works if you have an up-to-date operating system. Let's try and do a different computer. Okay, so this computer I borrowed from my friend because he likes to collect old computers. So I believe this is a Windows 7. The specs will be on screen, but I believe this computer is from 2011 with Windows 7 installed. I actually don't even know if this works, so let's give it a shot. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time since I've seen this Windows bootloader. Windows 7, let's see if this can run modern versions of Godot or not. Okay, we have all our Godot files on this computer. Let's see if this thing can run Godot 4.4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might have to try and update our graphics drivers. I might have to put this thing on the internet. Oh no, is the Intel i3-2120 built-in graphics card not good enough for Godot? Okay, after tinkering for a bit, I think this computer just needs a better graphics card to run Godot 4. But we haven't tried Godot 3 yet. Oh, it runs. This is a semi-modern version. Okay, Godot 3 will run. Okay, let's... Oops, no. Oh, it froze the computer. Hold up. Hold up. No, they're just getting fat projects from the asset library. Freeze the computer. No way. No, don't tell me I've got to restart because I searched for projects. Don't tell me that. No. Okay, one restart later, and let's see. Let's not click the find assets anymore. No, never click that. This is the death button, apparently. And let's try and open a project. Let's start with 3D. Kinematic character seems interesting. Import. Oh, we got a Godot. We got the Godot editor, at least trying to load. Oh. Uh-oh. Did it freeze again? No. Don't tell me it froze again. I'm gonna have to reboot this computer a second time. Okay, this computer keeps freezing, so I'm wondering if there's something actually just wrong with the computer. So we're gonna move on. We're going to Windows Vista. Okay, so here we are with our Windows Vista computer. I believe my friend told me this computer's age is about 2006, so right on the precipice of Windows 7. But we're gonna see if Godot can run on this very old machine. High tech and maybe 2006, but we'll test it out and find out. Okay, so here we are with the Windows Vista computer. Already, I'm noticing the resolution doesn't seem to be able to match. How do I see screen resolution on Vista? I have no idea. It doesn't seem to be able to match the monitor's resolution, so I highly doubt Godot's gonna run on this thing. This is using a Core 2 Duo CPU with built-in graphics, so this thing I don't think is gonna run, but we gotta test it out. Okay, moment of truth. We got our files. Is this gonna work at all? We're gonna try Godot 4 first, and... Oh no. Oh no, DLL errors. I don't think we're gonna recover from that. Okay. We know now. Godot 4 will not run. Crash the engine. Okay. Okay. Godot 4 will not run on Vista. We're gonna try 3.6 now. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, it's missing code from the user 32. We're not recovering from that. So we now know you kind of cap out at Vista, but I still believe in this hardware. We've gotten Godot to run on everything up till this point. Just because it doesn't support Windows Vista doesn't mean it won't support another operating system. We're gonna put Linux on this thing. And we're back. Okay, same computer. Linux Mint. Okay, let's see if we can get Godot running on this computer now. Okay, we have our files. To be honest, I'm not sure. I can't remember if this OS is 32-bit or 64-bit, so we're gonna try and execute the 64-bit version. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Of Required OpenGL ES 3.0. Oh no. Okay. So let's try the 32, or was that the 32-bit? No. Let's try this one. I don't know which one's. Wait. This is Godot 3.6. Okay. Wait, okay. There's the 32-bit one. Well, I guess we know that one works. Somewhat, at least. Okay. We're using a 64-bit OS. Okay. Godot 3.6 actually runs on a 2006 computer. Okay. This is exciting. Let's try the kinematic body that we couldn't get on the Windows 7 computer. We couldn't get this one running. Okay, if this actually works... Like, I know this is a modern OS. If this actually works, it's gonna be kind of insane that you can run at least a semi-modern game engine on a 2006 PC if you just boot it with Linux. Oh no, here comes the wait. This computer's screaming. Okay, let's check the system monitor. Oh, did it kill the OS? Did it freeze the computer? Alright, this has been going on for about 30 minutes. I don't even know if that clock's updating anymore. But I think this is not going to run anytime soon, so I think 2006 might be a little too old for the Godot engine, at least this 2006-year-old computer. Or, this computer from 2006. But it stands true that Godot runs on a lot of old computers, and just because this computer is about 19 years old, Godot probably shouldn't run on this thing. But it still at least tries, but we can't get into the editor. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this format, let me know. If you hated this format, sorry, let me know as well. But this was experiment, so thank you guys. Have a good one. See ya.